Today we're sharing the recipe for this DIY spray for microgreens and gardening. All it takes is 4 basic ingredients, water, and a container to mix it in. This spray is versatile and works well for germinating microgreen seeds as well as treating indoor and outdoor gardens. We start by adding 2 liters of water to the sprayer bottle. Next, we add 1 teaspoon of food-grade potassium bicarbonate. This is used as an organic fungicide. Then we add 1/4 teaspoon of organic neem oil. This is used as a pest control with fungicide properties. Now we add 1/4 teaspoon of organic oregano oil. However, other garden-safe oils can be used in its place, such as citrus. And then we add in 1/8 teaspoon of organic non-scented Castile soap. This is the emulsifier to break down the oils as well as insecticidal to control plant-loving pests. Close the lid and mix everything up well before each use. Happy growing!